Slate in. Yeah. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Yo, what's going on? It's Sean P Films here, and today we are going to be starting to build on my Valentine's Day set. So I got these rose palettes here. I ordered these from Shop Wild Things. I only got 6, and I think I need 24 because I really want to cover the whole wall entirely. But if I can't do the whole wall, you know, just a little bit, half of it is good too. I don't know if I want to start up because like, this is good coverage though. But it's only 6. I'm gonna start here on this seam, like right here. So I got these pieces from my cousin. She used these for her wedding. Ugh. It's made out of pool noodles. That looks great. It's all about the angle. Yeah, probably look good. Yeah, it ain't no like this one ain't no greenery on it, you know. So I don't know. Let's see what this does. See how does this affect? How does this affect the vibe? I'll be breaking them. That's another issue. And the roses look a little darker. Detangling. It's one part of it. Looks like. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard. But sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Camera rolling. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Sean P Films here, and as you can see behind me, I have my Valentine's Day set almost completely built. Alright, so right now I'm finna do a small lighting setup. So for this year's Valentine's Day, I'm gonna do a V-Day video, not only a photo shoot. So I'm gonna do some test lighting right now. I'm working with the Godox lights. This is the SL60W. This is the SL100W. I'm gonna put a softbox on that one, and we got a snoot on this one for our background. All right, so let's get this set up. Let's see how it looks, and we're gonna show you the stuff. Let's do it. Try being on your own side for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. All right, so we pretty much got it set up. We need to kill the rest of these lights so we can see what it actually looks like. Let's get rid of these house lights though. What's going on, YouTube? How we looking? You like the lighting? Okay, so I could throw in this backlight. Kind of want to see what it looks like if I give myself like a red backlight right here, maybe. See what that looks like. So the cool thing, really cool thing about this light right here for 40 bucks is that I could change all of these colors from my phone. I can really control this light from my phone. Now, I don't know about you, but most of the times when you need lights like that, they cost a nice amount of money. So let's see. All right, so this is blue, red. There we go. All right, I kind of like the red. I don't know what it looks like on camera. I'll see that later. We got orange, green, the blue. I like that. Let's turn this light so it's on the background. I wonder what that looks like. Let's do blue. Well, I know what blue looks like. Red. Nice, nice. That's dope. All right, let's do some white light. Let's get it so it's hitting kind of both of us, me and the background a little bit. Give me a little backlight. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the V-Day build out. So this is the current lighting setup that it will be for the final visualizer. So this year we are doing a V-Day video instead of just a photo shoot. Make sure to check it out. We're working with the SL60W, SL100W with the Snoop, and then I have the Vivitar $40 Creator Series light from Walmart. So thanks again for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tune in for the visualizer and stay tuned for the final photos on my Instagram. Check me out at Sean P Films. And once again, thanks for viewing. Peace out.